Fuses, magical fuses. Hello everyone. In this video we're taking a look at the fuse responsible for the 12-volt socket, the cigarette lighters on the BMW F10. Sooner or later you will have an issue with these fuses, be it because you drop some coins, be it because you used a different charger than the one you should. And should this be the case on a left-hand drive car, everything is straightforward. You will do it exactly like I've done it. You're going to go on Google, you're going to find out the fuse responsible to this or with this is fuse number 54. People will be very helpful and they will show you even the location. However, on a right-hand drive car, BMW decided to have something different. And the thing that they have decided to have different is the layout of the fuses. So rather than having them in this format, BMW has twisted them, and for right-hand drive cars, fuse number 54, the one responsible with our 12-volt sockets, is now on the right top bit, and you will see that access to it is a little bit more awkward. On all the forums you'll have pictures with this type of layout, and you will kind of be searching for a fuse on the left bottom bit. Strangely enough, on the left bottom bit we have 220 amp fuses, which will kind of lead you in the wrong direction. So coming back to our situation, left hand drive car, quite easy to change, fuse 54, 20 amp. You might be able to do it by having access only through this access door. On the right hand drive cars, things are changed. My advice, get a T20 socket. You will be removing these two screws, dropping this kick plate just a little bit. So this little booklet and these pliers, you're going to find them in the back of your car. With the pliers, with appropriate light, and by having access through two different directions, you go and you remove your 54 fuse, you place a new one, and everything should be sorted. Now, if the problem comes back, or if you blow the fuse immediately after, you will investigate to see if you have an additional fault. Now, I hope that this video helps. If I forgot something, or if you have ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments below, and I shall be seeing you in the next one.